Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Okay, today inshallah we are going to continue our lessons, okay, from Noor School, okay, and English department. Inshallah we are going to continue our grammar. But before I start, I'd like to remind you of our ethical value this month, okay, it's time management. Okay, we said before that you should use your time wisely and so on. So you can read something useful, you can do exercise, you can study hard, you can play games and so on. You can also stay at home and stay safe because we want your safety, okay? This is our ethical value. Okay, today inshallah we're going to continue our passive lessons, and today we are going to speak about present perfect. Okay, but we have something, a question, a riddle. Think about it until the end of the video. Wait until the end to know the answer. So think about it. So people buy me to eat, but never eat me. Okay, what am I? Okay, this is a riddle. Think about it. You will hear the answer or know the answer at the end of the video. Okay. Now, as we studied before, we spoke about present passive and past passive. Remember? When we said, I eat meat every day, this is active because we know the subject. But if I say meat is eaten every day, this is passive because the object is more important. Okay? And we said that the tense is present. What tense is it? It's present. I eat. Okay? So in the passive, we change into passive using this rule. Object plus am or is or are plus past participle. But if I said I ate meat yesterday, this is past. So I say in the passive, meat was eaten yesterday. So what is the tense? It's past. So what is the rule? It's object was or were plus past participle. So this is what we have studied before. Now I want you to read these sentences and guess the rule. Here she says, or the sentence says, she has written a letter. She has written a letter. Okay? And in the passive, it is a letter has been written by her. Okay? Look and see again. She has written a letter. After that, a letter has been written by her. That's so easy, I think. Now, we started with the object, but the tense itself or the verb has changed. Like it was has written, then it becomes has been written. So in the passive of this lesson, we put the object, after that has been, then the past participle. Another sentence. Tom has drawn some pictures. Tom has drawn some pictures. So in the passive, it is like some pictures have been drawn by Tom. Some pictures have been drawn by Tom. So you started with the object, some pictures, and you put have been drawn by the subject, Tom. Okay, now what is the tense? Yes, this is present perfect, as we know. Has written, have drawn, has drawn. Okay, so what is the rule for this tense in the passive? Okay, can you guess it? As we said. Okay, now, the rule. They have cooked a delicious meal. They, the subject, have cooked, the verb. A delicious meal is the object. If I start with the object like a delicious meal has been cooked by them. So the rule is that object plus have or has plus been plus past participle. So if the verb is in the present perfect, you put the object at the beginning, then have or has been plus the past participle. Another example. We have bought a new flat. We have bought a new flat. So in the passive, it is a new flat has been bought by us. A new flat has been bought by us. Okay. Now it's your turn to practice. If you want to listen to the explanation again, you can pause the video or return to the previous moments. Okay. Now this is Marwan has revised the English lessons. Marwan has revised the English lessons. I want you to change into passive. Okay, answer? Yes, this is excellent. The English lessons have been revised by Marwan. The English lessons have been revised by Marwan. So you start with the object, the English lessons, then you put have or has, then past participle, then by the subject. So be careful here. We said Marwan has because Marwan is one, it's singular. But if I say the English lessons, they are plural. So I said Marwan has, but the English lessons have because they are plural. Okay, excellent. Another example, Sarah hasn't watched TV recently. Sarah hasn't watched TV recently. I want you to change into passive using been. Yes, that is great. TV hasn't been watched by Sarah recently. TV hasn't been watched by Sarah recently. Okay, that is great. Now, did you manage to know the answer of the riddle? Okay, another time. People buy me to eat, but never eat me. What am I? I think that some people got it. This is great. The spoon or the pot or the plate, all of them are right answers because people buy them to use them for eating. They do not eat them. So you buy the spoon to eat with, but you do not eat it. Okay, excellent. Now I want you to revise the grammar and answer the the AL booklet pages like 52 and 53, and that was our lesson today. And I see you later inshallah with another grammar video. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And